Android usually lets you customize the appearance of apps to match your phone's theme or wallpaper, but Google always stuck with its 4 colors only. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub, the latest tech news. Android's theming changes were introduced a few years ago, but Google never really adapted. You might think that Google Gemini falls into the same 4-color category, but that may not be the case for much longer. An APK teardown of Gemini app by Android Authority has revealed that the AI app could take the colors from your device's theme or wallpaper, but this feature hasn't been rolled out yet. For now, this color match design appears only in the Gemini overlay and not in the full app yet. However, that could change, assuming Google wants to make this a permanent fixture of the chatbot's design. While it may seem exciting, but it doesn't even look that good. The microphone icon will lose its prominence, with the Gemini Live shortcut being highlighted instead. But the good thing is this color scheme hasn't prevailed in the full Gemini app, so we're at an early stage of this supposed redesign. And the features that are revealed through APK teardowns aren't guaranteed to see the light of day, as this has happened numerous times before. But assuming even if Google goes ahead with this change, let's hope we get an option to keep using the existing Gemini theme. Elsewhere on the Gemini app, we're already beginning to see multiple upgrades taking shape over the past few weeks, including improved news summaries courtesy of Gemini Live. And before this, it was Gemini getting the ability to import your data from rival chatbots like ChatGPT and Claude, which is just confirmed by a leak and still has a few days ahead of its broader rollout. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.